Hey Fluffy Puffs, it's Ashlyn again, and this is my dog, Copper. He's like, I don't know, he's okay, I guess. Anyways, so, he just had like a bath, and that's why he looks like kind of gross right now, but like, I don't know, whatever. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your dog look amazing and adorable at the same time. It is possible. So you got your dog, right? You got your dog, and he's just pretty basic. So then you have a hair tie. This one, not this one. You got their ears, right? You know how like you do a normal ponytail, you just like bring it up like that. That's what we're gonna do with ears today. Yes. And just kind of tie the hair tie around it twice. Make sure it's nice and loose. And so he looks like this, and I think he looks a lot better. Don't you think? Like he looks so cute. Just like this. And I think he's kind of funny looking like this, and I think it makes his head look bigger, which makes him a lot cuter. And like ears are really out of style, and big ponytails like this, or little buns, are definitely in. So I definitely think that this is the cutest dog right now. Just like this. That's an Instagram picture. That's Anna Blanc. Right there. So, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you can make all your dogs or cats cuter, just like this. And maybe he'll be mistaken for a sumo wrestler and get pulled over and get pictures with people. But yeah, basically just this, and it's so cute, and you can match your dog if you want. Like I am today, I'm matching my dog, except I look a lot cuter. But there he is, and I'll just show you guys how to do it one more time, and just take it out, you just pull it off. It doesn't hurt them, I don't think. I don't really. So I'm gonna try and keep him up here, so you guys can see. 1, 2, and then kind of like the separation between the ears, you just kind of pull it to make it look better. And you can kind of like fluff it out if you want, but I like it like this, not like that. So, just like this. This is the best dog look ever. How cute he looks. Like, he loves it. Copper, do you love your new look? He loves it. Look at that.
Oh yeah, man.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Trying to stand on my feet without, like, with bending my knees is like really hard. Don't ever try it. I mean, like, if I can't do it, no one can. But I think that this hairstyle is super cute, and your dog will love it. And he or she will look so good in it, just like Copper. And we're gonna go see what everyone thinks. So, you see Copper? This new hairstyle. It looks so adorable, right? It's weird. No, it's adorable, and he's gonna wear his hair like that for all the time now. Copper, what are you doing now? Get him to stop. No! You like the pigtails with his ears.
Too cute.
Too cute. I know, right? If you guys are watching, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Copper didn't like it because he's a little doof. And I don't know, just pray for me and hope that my dog gets cuter, since he doesn't like the hairstyle. Whatever. Bye.
I'm feeling that you can't find that one.
Meow, meow,
And then goes up and down.
Oh. Just like this.
So we can make it last. Take it slow.
Okay.
I like it how I wanna from the West. Yeah.
Here he
And
is.
boy, you can
He
flex
looks
through my
just
gut.
like this.
You the way I want it, how I want it. And I can be all these. You told me when you can become a man for listening. And it seems like you don't have a company.
He looks just like this. And I think that
You love it how I move. You love it
he looks just like this. And he looks like this.